Watch it. You might feel like actually a tip.
Hold on. This one's be popcorn, honestly.
People in.
Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No. Never gonna give you up.
Basically, 49 degrees Celsius.
Fahrenheit. First of all, the instruction depend on this something.
What's that? See that? Come on. They get white. The camera that's no.
Use caution. Contain hot oil and steam, you know. Everything already in the popcorn. Watch it. You might feel like actually a tip.
Hold on. This one's be popcorn, honestly.
People in. People intend me saying do this already. Pumpkin, have to cover it. Let me come on. A part one push over. Push over a part. Turn it down. You want to see this? Where the one will come out of part? Look if it did do. Look if it do it.
Yeah.
See what going on there, people. Actually, a proper picture.
Yeah, man, it don't work, man.
Yeah. You see that coming up.
Well, on the first man, I do this thing every year.
Pumpkin, take it through. You do it already.
See it on YouTube. See it on YouTube. Relax, man. Hold on. Just want to be spot. This guy up there, man.
People don't come. Channel. No, sir. Here's some wait. Some more film popcorn.
Yeah, man, some smell the popcorn, you know. Where come pop no sit no one? Just no one them more upon.
Alright, man, sure when you finish product still. How people work?
No, more left. Come on, the more spot.
More left pumpkin. Star. Really never need a microwave. So. Man, well, watch up in YouTube, you know, man. What?
The more spot like that still, you know.
Yes.
I guess some of them still need to pop up when they really want to take a chance and
Burn it up.
I'm gonna show this.
Wanna believe him? Yeah. Pumpkin, you move like a buyer license, brother. Yeah. Oh. Voila. His son plays, make it look nice, see?
The what?
His son plays.
Put in seatbelt.
Relax, man. See, we can't go forward in the seatbelt. Yeah. Oh God, me feel like I have for me. I go. More 5 weeks, but go with that.
Alright, so people. full disclosure again, as you know, as always, we're only going on the road just because we have some important stuff to get done.
Yes.
You have to do a little bit of shopping. Once again, stay home as much as you can. Be safe. Do your part to contain this entire spread, alright, of this corona lady.
Yep.
Yeah, man.
And Sam is not with us, so just to make it clear, not taking my little sweetheart out. Wait there. No, sir. People waiting for my hairstyle. What you think? Comment down below. Let me know I'll go on, cause 2020 look here. Now go normal. Belly a come back and all these things. So show no like a video. Okay, top speed clean up picture of my youth and take them. Sure. Yeah. So what's up with you?
Just can't wait for this corona thing.
Can I interview?
When I drive on the road to them, I say come like every man under AC. It's like the man say corona can't come in like every one's under AC. You know? Everybody they pass on the road there under AC.
Taxi.
Window wine up and everything. I mean I say, oh that makes sense. If you're there in the car, if 5 are there in the car and one under AC, then that basically increase the chances of catching any form of corona. You get me?
Yeah.
The man them just feel like say boy once I'm under AC and then cozy and cool, then you know what I mean? It basically restrict you from catching the virus. So even the supermarket here.
Them not get again for you go through and the man can go through. Come no, think about it now. Think about it. Imagine you come in with your car and you come out your car in the day. Or come in and the car in the day.
Okay.
Can you imagine that? A man can just take a car and go through the post and all these things. I don't think that makes sense though.
But I want to tell you now, you know, man. The thief don't want to touch nothing for nobody. I see one girl that walk with her phone on her ear saying, I mean, well big.
No, pumpkin, me watch one video this morning. One man I walk in the supermarket. I take out them things out of their basket. Two tissue left on one shelf and the man take out one out of man basket. Man run down your man.
Yeah, man, when I run him down to man.
No, sir. Pumpkin, so if you turn up out there and wait till people come out.
So there's literally about maybe 30 people in front of us waiting outside of the supermarket.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Let's check out the farm over pharmacy first.
Crazy.
Right
now you need to go join the line. Me we go check the pharmacy.
No, pumpkin. You don't know where me want a pharmacy?
Just tell me exactly where you want.
No,
everything
I want to go. It's precise. I want to go and look for the thing that I want in particular.
So yes, you can't join line.
Yes, I can, but once I come back, I'm not going to spend long in the pharmacy.
Give me some of my camera.
Give me some of my camera. You're always afraid for camera. No, sir. But over here full of kerosene waste still.
Oh, and that is what I understand.
Full of kerosene waste, one spot there.
Basically, everybody up on the road and I go about them daily life same way. As if
pushing two people here.
In white here.
Under it.
I'll show you them.
Can't get them.
You know what I mean?
Under them.
Under them mask.
Well, we just have to ask, at the end of the day, we just have to ask for God protection, because no sanitizer, nothing can save with people. We just have to have God with us and just asking for blood coverage over us and our family at the end of the day.
Yeah, because at the end of the day, as I said, while we're not against people basically wearing the masks, there are certain prescribed masks that you're supposed to wear. It makes sense you wear a mask and a lot of space around it and such.
Yeah.
But there is some good in it, so we're not completely bashing people because by wearing a mask you find yourself basically touching your face less and such. So I guess that should be good. Alright then, so people, just a little insight. Always be safe. While you're on the road, try to touch your face less. Try to practice as much social distancing as minimum 3 feet. Alright, I know it can be hard sometimes, like with them line and so, but try to do it as best as possible. Yeah man, bless up.
Yep.